Hello all, welcome to the Supriya channel. Today's our topic is the structure of the sperm. This is the structure of the sperm. These are the parts of the sperm: acrosome, nucleus, head, neck, mitochondria, middle piece, and the tail. Let us discuss one by one. Acrosome. This acrosome helps the sperm to penetrate into the ovum. Penetrate into the ovum, and head consists the nucleus. So this nucleus, we know that it carries the genetic material, and this nucleus fuses with the female nucleus, and head and the middle piece, these two parts are connected by the neck. And next what? Mitochondria. See here, dot-like structures are the nothing but the mitochondria. These mitochondria gives the energy to the sperm. Gives the energy to the sperm. And tail. It helps in the movement. Next, so this is all about the structure and its parts. Next, whatever the fluids are secreted from the seminal vesicles, prostate gland, and the Copper's gland. So whatever the fluids are secreted from the seminal vesicles, prostate gland, and the Copper's gland, that fluids are called as the seminal plasma. So this seminal plasma, along with the sperm, is called the semen. Is called as the semen. So this semen, the release of the semen from the male's body is called as the ejaculation. One mark answer. What is ejaculation? Releasing the semen from the male's body is called as the ejaculation. And here 60% of the sperms should have normal shape and the size. And remaining 40% of the sperm should have show the vigorous activity. And the male produce the sperm at the age of the 13 or 14 years. The sperm quality decreases when they grow as older. So this is all about the structure of the sperm. If you like it, please comment, share, like, and subscribe. And next, which topic you want, comment me.